Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're new to this channel, this is Jayant. We are. Hey guys, welcome back. Those who are new to this channel, this is Jayant. So if you're new to this channel, we are starting Discord channel. So in Discord channel, like nothing but we're going to teach the students, like we're going to share knowledge, our knowledge to each other. So we have so many experts in particular domain. So we are going to share all the knowledge with you guys. So don't miss the opportunity. Link in description. Click on the link join on Discord channel. Right? We have much more exciting events on the way. So right now we have started with few events. So don't miss our opportunity. We are waiting for some more audience. As soon as we get the audience, we're going to launch our product, guys. So don't miss our opportunity. Do join Discord channel. Link in description, guys. I'm hoping to see you out there. And if possible, even like you can share our Discord channel link with college mates and school mates, so that everyone use the opportunity. So it is completely free, guys. We're not charging anything. So we're just going to share the knowledge. We're going to teach you guys about programming and startup skills. So we have so many things, guys. So don't miss opportunity. Link in description, guys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the difference between Mac and Windows, guys. So I know that probably many of the students and many of the know about difference of Mac, and they have so many videos in YouTube. You might have seen so many videos. So in today's video, like we discuss about the difference, guys. So before discussing of difference, let me share my own experience. Like I'm like user of Windows from past 7 years. So I guess probably like from my class 8 standard I've been using the PC. So from that time I've been Windows fan. So let me share my difference, my experience, guys. So the first thing which I observed, like let me share which laptop I'm using in Windows. So this laptop Acer, so it's i3 processor, 8th gen generation, guys. So I've been using this laptop for past 2 years. So and this laptop, I used to this laptop for doing basic stuff like browsing the stuff in Google, and then like creating applications and then designing some algorithms in ML and deep learning. So I've been using this laptop, guys. So I'm using 2 months. So after getting, so I know like I guess everyone know, those who are watching this video, I have a MacBook. It's been 2 months I'm using. So if you didn't watch my video, I have made a unboxing video on Mac. So link in iCarry. Do watch that video. You'll get come over, guys. So this is a Mac I've been brought. So this is a MacBook Air. So I brought it for like 86,000. So I got a student discount so there by using credit card. So it was 86,000. So like the difference, like first difference which I observed, the performance, guys. I don't know how the MacBook making, how Apple is designing the performance, guys. So like if you look at the body build quality of Windows, like Macs, many Windows, like old Windows laptops, they have a huge body, but performance not that much fast, guys. So let me share one example. So in Windows, I used to design applications using ML and DL. So I'm going to link those applications Android Studio. So while interlinking language, it used to take like around 6 hours for designing one application. When you compare the MacBook, I'm just completing the MacBook within the minutes, guys. So I guess within 40 minutes I'm just completing the whole project within minutes of seconds, guys. So the first difference, the performance, guys. And the second difference is like display, guys. So I have seen like Windows I've been working some good laptops from HP and Lenovo. So even those cost us like 1 lakh. So when compared to those companies and Apple has like good display, guys. Display is fantastic. The third difference which I observed is battery life, guys. So in Windows, like I have been using this laptop Acer, which I've seen before. So even I work with my brother's laptop, so he is using HP i7. So whereas my screen time is 18 hours. So in 18 hours, I used to charge the like Windows laptop for, let me say like I used to start around like 10 times in a day. So for 18 hours, I used to start 10 times in a day, so that I can able to perform all my activities. When compared to MacBook, I'm just charging this laptop for 2 days, once in 2 days, guys. So I'm just getting the 2 days battery for like 18 hours. So like probably 36 hours I'm using with one full charge, guys. So the best part of the MacBook is that battery, guys. And one more thing is RAM, guys. I don't know how they are like reallocating like relocation RAM, guys. With Windows, like if you're doing some multitasking, let's say if you're opening Android Studio at a time, if you're opening the Photoshop, and if you're editing some videos using Filmora and then some video editing softwares or Photoshop, etc. So Windows laptops, they used to give some lag in Windows laptop, right? So I'm not saying about the high variant in Windows like 16. I'm just speaking about the 4GB to 8GB RAM Windows laptop, guys. So when using 4GB to RAM, you just face slight lag in Windows, whereas in Mac, I didn't face any lag till now, guys. So one more thing option which Apple providing in their laptop is that they have a heap memory size. So heap memory, we can adjust the memory. Like let's say if you want to give 2GB RAM for Android Studio, we can allocate 2GB RAM for that. If you want to allocate 2GB RAM for Photoshop, you can allocate. So it depends on person. So if you want, you can allocate. Or else like Mac itself, they just reallocating the required amount of GB for necessary performance, guys. So these are the 4 experience like which I observed from MacBook, guys. So in general, let me share a few tips. Like if you're a student, if you're going to buy a MacBook, if you're planning to buy a laptop, so let me share a few things. So if you're a student, like you just want a laptop for the basic surfing. Let's say if you're a student, if you're just using laptop for basic Google surf and basic watching videos and then playing like small games and watching movies, just a basic this normal uses, then you can go for like lower variant of Windows, guys. So in Windows you have so many laptops which have i3 processor and i7 processors, you can go for it. Whereas if a person you used to do so many projects in Android Studio, so I'm not saying Android Studio, if you're using high-end performance, let's say for video editing and Android Studio, designing algorithms, ML and DL. So if you're kind of person, so at that time you need to choose your purpose, guys. Let me share in my purpose, I'm just using laptop for designing algorithms, ML and DL. So for that case, I'm happy with the MacBook. So if a person you are using the laptop only for designing applications using Android Studio, then you can go for Windows, guys. Why? Because I'm not suggesting MacBook for Android Studio, guys. So I feel some lag in Android Studio, guys. So I don't know Google is updating those bugs and errors. So I don't know when it will happen. If you are a person who is in Android development field, you can go for Windows, guys. So for those students, I can suggest you can go for i7 variant, and which i7 variant laptop, guys. You can go for it. So I guess probably 8 GB is more than enough. So if you have money, if you have extra bucks, you can spend for 16 GB. So let me see third types, guys. So if a student you just want you're just doing some research work and you're just complete focus on research. So at research lesson, you're designing some research papers and designing some huge programs using DL and ML, then blindly you can go for MacBook, guys. So in MacBook, you may have one more question whether I can go for Air or Pro. So I suggest if you have money you can go for Pro, but I'm not suggesting everyone to go for Pro, because I don't know I'm okay with Air, because I brought Air, even my friend brought Air at the same time. We both brought this lap at the same time. So he brought Pro with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB, and I brought 8 GB RAM and 256 GB. So when it comes to performance, I didn't felt much difference with both the Pro and Air. So both things are working fine. Only thing is in 8 GB RAM, when you're opening, let's say if you're working on Android Studio, and simultaneously you're working on video editing, and simultaneously you're working on Photoshop, simultaneously you're working on some Xcode. So at that time you feel slight lag in 8 GB RAM variant, guys. So when you go for 16 GB, you won't feel much difference. You won't feel lag while doing multitasking, guys. So I suggest you can go for Air itself. So you can go if you have bucks, if you have extra money, you can spend 16 GB RAM and get storage. Depends on you, guys, what kind of work you're doing. So in my case, 250 is more enough for me, but because I'm just using the MacBook for developing my project, so I'm just using the cloud to store my data, so I don't require much RAM, so I don't need much storage. That's the reason I've just bought a 256 variant. So it depends on person. These are the three things, guys. If you're a student, if you want a basic purpose, you can go for basic Windows model. If you want to research, if you want to develop algorithms and DL ML, you can go for MacBook. Or else if you're a person who just focus on developing websites and developing applications, you can go for Windows, guys. These are suggestions I want to give the new users who are going to buy laptops, guys. So these are things I observed in while working on between Windows and Mac, guys. I hope this video helps you. I will make one more video on the top 5 laptops for top best laptops for college students. Probably I will be doing this video by this week itself, guys. So so that you get clear understanding which laptop you can buy. So that's it for this video, guys. And if you didn't even join my Discord channel, I'm just reminding again, guys, link in description. Do join Discord channel. So we have much more events on the way, guys. Don't forget to join, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.